Hello everyone, I am Rakesh. Today I am going to discuss about how you can prevent the students from removing others and muting others while you are using Microsoft Teams for online teaching. For that, first you have to go to calendar section of your Microsoft Teams app and you have to schedule one new meeting. Here I am giving the title for my class, Class 10 English, and here I have to choose the correct date and time for conducting my class. My class is from 12 p.m. to 12:30 p.m. It's a half an hour class and a proper channel has to be chosen. Class 10 English General. Then I am sending the information to my students. Now my class is scheduled. What is the next step to be done in order to prevent students from removing and muting others? You have to go to that calendar section once again. There you can see all the scheduled classes. You have to go to that particular scheduled class. This is the class which I scheduled from 12 p.m. You have to click on that scheduled session so that you can see one option, meeting options. You have to click on meeting options so that a web page will appear. If you are using for first time, you have to use your credentials in order to log in using web page. There you can see two questions: who can bypass the lobby, and the second question is who can present. Who can bypass the lobby, you can keep it as people in my organization, and who can present, by default it will be everyone, and you have to change it into only me so that you can prevent the students from removing others and muting others, and you have to save it. This is one way in order to prevent students from removing other participants and muting other participants. And the next step is, while you are in the meeting, suppose I am in the meeting, so for showing that I am joining this particular class, okay, now I am in the meeting. And how can I prevent students from removing others and muting others? You have to go to show participants, and the participants list will come, and there you can see three dots, more actions. You have to click on that three dots so that you can see a header named manage permissions. You have to click on manage permissions so that the same web page which we accessed earlier will appear. There also you have to choose who can present. You have to go to that question and you have to change from everyone to only me so that you can prevent other participants in order to remove others and other participants in order to mute others also. You have to save. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, share this information with your friends also. Thank you.